What's so special about like 8th March?
Yes, it is very special. It's the International Women's Day.
Absolutely, that's amazing. What is the theme for this year, 2024, by United Nations? What have they said basically?
So the theme for this year's Women's Day 2024 is Inspire Inclusion.
What is inclusion?
So inclusion is basically including everyone, wherein different types of genders, different types of people from different types of socio-economic backgrounds, and everyone feels belonged and as a part of the same space.
Absolutely, that's amazing. As today we are at the She Sparks event as well. What it takes to create a good culture so that like really great women become part of that company or like the team.
Yeah, so it takes a lot of fundamental aspects to create a great culture in which everyone and women and also like LGBTIQ and everyone starts to feel like a part of the culture. So to create a very very inclusive culture, I think one is has to be driven from the top of the management. It cannot be an HR agenda. It's very important that the leadership is completely signed up. You're not doing it as a part of tokenism, which is just signing, taking off your boxes, but you're actually serious about making your workplace very very inclusive. And the third the next part could be the third point, of course, is also creating policies and infrastructure for different types of people to become a part of your support, policies which support different types of backgrounds, like policies which support women, which supports LGBTIQ, so that everyone feels included and feels like a part of the workplace culture. So those would be some top of the mind thoughts in how we can really inspire inclusion at workplace.
Absolutely, that's so amazing. And coming to like women entrepreneurs, right? Like, what will be the three advices like you will tell to all the aspiring entrepreneurs? Because so many people have that great dream. They want to do something great. They want to make their family members great. What advice you will tell them?
Yeah, I think first I would say take the leap of faith and really go after your idea. Of course, once you have taken the leap, it is about, I think, two things. One is starting at the right time, and second is making the time right. So what do I mean by that? Starting at the right time is when you have basically created a prototype, or you have a bit of a research about your idea, how your idea will be received by your market. You've done your market research, and the second part, which is making the time right. You will have to take some tough decisions as an entrepreneur. You will have to also make sure that as you go along and take feedback from people, you do not get too clouded by others' opinion, and you are sticking on to your own original core idea. So you cannot let that wash away by the feedback from anyone. So what is the it that your idea is all about. So I think that will be the very very first point. Second is take a lot of support. There's a lot of support available in terms
Right.
of courses, in terms of coaching, mentoring, incubation programs. So make sure you are getting all the support, so that you are, even if you have to fail, you fail fast, you learn from the mistake, and you have that backing up, right? So I think
100%.
that would be the second point. And the third point for me would always be being very very customer or client centric in your business, right? So keep on checking the pulse of your clients or your customers, and keep on making adaptations to your product based on that, so that you stay very very relevant, and also being very very relevant to the AI, to the technological landscape which is present in the India, which is present in India, which is emerging so fast. So you make sure that you are incorporating the market knowledge, the behavior from the people and your clients. And the second part is you're integrating the latest technology, that you are creating a very robust product which is relevant to both people and technology.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for sharing, Diksha.
Thank you, Akshay, for having me on your show.
Yep. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Once again,
bye.
wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. See you.
Thank you, bye.